Welcome to Why Prompts Matter. Every answer you get from AI starts with one thing: the prompt you give it. A good prompt can save you hours and unlock smarter results, while a weak prompt can leave you frustrated. In this module, we'll explore why prompts matter and how to use them to get better outcomes from AI. Our goal in this lesson is simple: to understand how prompts shape the output you get from AI and why good prompts consistently unlock better, more useful results. By the end, you'll know exactly why prompting is the foundation of working smarter with AI. A prompt isn't magic. It's not a Google search, and it's not wishful thinking. A prompt is structured input, a set of instructions that guides the AI step by step. The clearer your instructions, the more useful and reliable the output becomes. Here's the difference. A Google search for best Italian restaurant near me gives you one quick result. But a well-written AI prompt, for example, act as a travel guide. Recommend 3 Italian restaurants in London with a short review of each, produces a richer, more useful answer. This is the power of structured prompts. Here's a simple rule to improve almost any prompt. Always define 3 things. First, the role: who should AI be? Second, the task: what you want it to do. And third, the context: the background or details that matter. Role, task, and context form the foundation of effective prompting. To recap, prompts are structured instructions, not guesses. Good prompts unlock better, more reliable output. And the baseline for success is always defining role, task, and context. Now it's your turn. Take one of the AI queries you used recently, maybe something you typed into ChatGPT or another tool, and rewrite it using role, task, and context. You'll see the improvement immediately.